In this video, we will learn how to use char function in the Excel sheet. Okay, let's start. If you want to write ABCD, if you're going to drag it, you not get the option. If you only write one letter and drag it, you are not able to drag ABCD A to Z. Okay, for using the char function, you can drag it ABCD up to Z. Let's see how it's done. Just select the cell is equal to char function bracket row again bracket A65 two time bracket close and just enter. Now just drag it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.